apologies, the recording ended abruptly. Anyways, as to continue, I don't know just what they were thinking, but we should be able to find out once we take them down. You dare deceive the executive manager and try to take their life? Prepare thyself, for thou shalt now pay the price of making a mockery of justice. Prepare thyself, Josh! Yeah, we can't just let this slide, you know. How unfortunate. I had high hopes that all of you would become fine blood kids. Well, this is gonna be really fun.
응원도 결국은 나약 환자들이나 듣고 싶어하는 위안일 뿐입니다. 정보팀은 조금 더 가치 있는 걸 추구하는 부서 아니겠습니까?
Well, that's gonna be pretty awkward. I mean, this is gonna be fucking ridiculous. Anyways. Oh. Oh. Anyways. Alright, let's do this.
만만치 않겠군! 본인이 하지!
사선이 피어.
제약 효과가 굉장히
Not humans
좋았어.
without argument
기록적인
limitations, so
피해량인
this
것
should be
같다.
quite easy.
방금 공격은 좋았어. 이대로만 계속해보면 좋을 텐데.
직전의 공격처럼 개체에게 치명적인 일격을 가해봅시다.
순식간에 끝내줘.
좋아. 잘하구만. 사선 피어.
개체들의 체력이 많이
공론
깎여나갔어.
지원한다.
괴로워하는 게 느껴지지 않아?
개체에게
이 기세로
치명적인
계속
손상을 입히는 데
나아가보자.
성공했습니다. 앞으로의 전투도 이대로만 부탁드리겠습니다.
히어! 아르카나 빛! 차! 제압 개체에게 맞는 정상적인 공격이야. 잘했어. 티페리트, 당연한 걸 한 것 가지고 굳이 칭찬할 필요 없어. 뭐야 이 수치는? 아까 어떤 직원이 제압 개체에 한 번에 입힌 피해량이야. 잠깐! 진짜? 왜 부서팀장을 안 달아줬지?
화격검. 시작한다. 여긴 맡겨주세요.
와, 성공했어! 보여? 개체가 더 이상 움직이지 않네. 이대로 남은 대상들도 전부 움직일 수 없게 만들어보자.
언제까지 버티나 보자고.
사랑으로!
끝내. 정수하리. 낙인을 새겨드리죠.
효율적인 대처로 개체를 꿰뚫었습니다. 참고로 기계는 입에 발린 말 따위 쉽게 하지 않아요.
이번에
와, 성공했어!
이
보여?
싸움을
개체가 더
끝내주겠어.
이상
Alright,
움직이지
buddy, as
않네.
fun as this fight
이대로
lasted,
남은
you're kind of
대상들도
fucked
전부
now.
움직일 수 없게 만들어보자.
순식간에 끝내죠.
한 점만 노린다. 좋아. 탄하구만.
봐, 어렵지 않지? 이미 관찰 기록에 있는 유형대로만 공격하면 되잖아. 관찰 기록을 잘 읽은 것 같네.
그 사이 마침표를. 이러면
방금
쏠 수
공격.
있죠? 쉬어.
다음 다른 개체에게도 다시 해봐줄래? 영상으로 남기면 다른 직원에게도 도움이 될지도 몰라.
직원들이 우세한 환경에 있습니다. 관리자님이 제 말을 집중해서 듣고 있었다는 결과겠죠.
You know what? Why
이런
not?
과정들을 통틀어 신뢰라고 부른다고 하더군요. 긍정적인 변화네요.
언제까지 버티나 보자고. 슬픔의 흔들림 맛은 이렇게 터져버리죠.
네,
이제야
잘
회사가
들어갔네요.
정상으로 돌아갔네.
크게 의미 있는
이번
성과는
제압은
아니지만요.
끝이야.
너희들도 고생 많았어.
Man,
티페리트,
the difficulty between the difference in difficulty between the play style of Rhodes Islands and wait, hold on, I forgot to. Wait, I think they're heading to. He's running himself into a dead end. Are they seeking refuge at sea? Wait, that's where the ship is. That's where they're headed. They're trying to board the vessel, Masses. Wait, but we never told them that the ship was repaired. So how? Ain't it obvious? The whole village is in on it. It ain't surprised that they send someone to spy on us, or they know a way to get to the ship floating even in its broken state. Vessel Masas? Vessel Rebellion de las Masas. The ship is moored at a port in that direction. Wait, it can't be! Irene, who was preoccupied with battling the rest of the followers of the Church of the Deep who were hiding in, quickly gave chase. But Fabius and the villagers were already aboard the repaired ship, slowly departing the harbor with a horde of sea terrors between us and them. How can a vessel of that size become operational that fast? The exterior, the name, it must have been constructed during the golden age of Liberia. But how are we supposed to chase that? What if we built a raft and rowed it after them? Mate, come on. Sea's full of sea terrors. I won't get very far before it sinks. Do you see something, Amiya? I keep looking in that direction. Oh. The vessel Masa soon disappeared into the mist, and the village was left empty with nary a sign of people having ever been there. As though this getaway had all been premeditated. Leaving only mayors. Man, and they abandoned her?
그 정도 화력으로 우리 사무소를 막을 수 있을 줄 알았냐? 저놈들 무기까지 주어서 철수하자고.
And this was only the mid one. And that was only the middle of this whole thing. Wow. Damn it. Can't we just take any ship to go after it? It's a research vessel. It can't possibly be very fast. This'd be difficult. Even if it is a research vessel, I'm sure it was constructed during the golden age of Liberia. No average ship can keep up with it. Which is a problem, because I doubt we have any ship that can travel at the same speed. We only have a few small vessels left, which are all anchored too far from this location to be feasible options. Do we have any recourse? No, not unless we can identify the exact location of the vessel. Which is the real problem. We can find it ourselves, a ship to go after them, yes. But most eyes of Liberia, the lighthouses, were lost during the profound silence. Wait, when you say most, you mean there were some left? Just one as far as I know, the one in Grand Pharaoh, but that lighthouse cannot be used at this moment. There's another. There's a lighthouse you can use. Huh? Really? Are you really going to give one of the villagers the benefit of the doubt? Yet young Skadi hath confirmed her to be safe. All I confirmed is whether she is a seaborn or not. Can't know if she's a cultist. 'Tis true, yet once we saw that Mayers was left all on her own, we decided to have her accompany us at all times and keep her within Irene's eyeshot. We couldn't possibly blame her for what had happened, given Skadi's confirmation that she doesn't have anything to do with those sea monsters. Besides, they'd all left her behind. But Irene still seemed to harbor a bit of suspicion. The problem with the Aegir is that she simply knows too much. Where could she have possibly have gained access to all that information? See? She can't even answer that question. But let's think about it this way. What if we were to ask her what we don't know? The location of that lighthouse, for example. They're ticking rapidly. What did they say? Tensei says that we should approach it differently and ask her what we don't know, like the location of the lighthouse. That seems to be a reasonable suggestion to me. Or does the Inquisitor have an alternative solution to this conundrum? No, but fine, let's hear it. I want to interrogate you about how you have access to things that even us Inquisitors don't know. At least not right now. Fair Moretto, Dead Lighthouse. That is our village's name. Somewhere a little ways off the coastline, there's a night eye of Liberia on the sea. Though it was almost destroyed when the profound silence swept through. Off the coastline? Is it not connected to the land? I think it used to be, until it sank. We should be able to procure ourselves enough wooden materials from the village to build a raft. Is it near enough for a raft to be a means of access? The weather's not great today, but it should do. It's not very far from the coast. Even you? You're gonna trust the Jaeger? I don't see why I shouldn't. I understand that Liberian mistrust of the Jaeger is quite profound, yet such sentiment is hollow to the rest of us. Inquisitor Irene, what did you feel when you saw the Riodes Islands operator? If you're talking about the Countess, nothing in particular, other than slight annoyance when she accused me of being inhumane. So you didn't harbor any hostility nor disgust. Not that you would have felt any sense of sympathy or empathy either. I thought, I have no history of feelings for or against Eager. Such must be the same for the outsiders. What's she on about? She's confident that in regards to Mayers, our opinions are more objective than Irene's. Finding the vessel Fabius commanded will be of benefit to all. Limbus Company will gain an opportunity to return to the city via a dimensional door, while Riodes Islands will have the chance to study it at a closer proximity. And the Inquisition will gain possession of the vessel in which the technology from the Liberian Golden Age is contained. What? You're just gonna hand over... You're just gonna hand that over to the Inquisition? Why should we covet what was once Liberia's? While there certainly are aspects to that vessel that draw interest, I already have a state-of-the-art masterpiece known as the Cephalus. As long as it can be guaranteed, I see no reason to refuse. Irene eventually agreed to put her trust in Mayors. We are in luck, Executive Manager. It's quite fortunate that our interests aligned exactly with that of the first strangers we encountered in a strange land. Lucky is right. Imagine if we were back in the city. It would have taken them like 3-4 free distortion hunts for us to come to this agreement. Sorry about having to sally you with this, Mayors. Please, lead us to the lighthouse. Okay, happily. So when you said almost destroyed, how almost destroyed is it? I heard that the light faded from the lighthouse a long time ago, but the shape still stands. At least it was when I saw it a few months ago. If the lighthouse is in an inoperable state, we're going to need an expert technician to get it back in working order. Technology it's based on is completely divorced from the popular application of Originium technology, so I doubt there's anyone out there who can work at any time. Who can work it anymore then. You needn't worry about that. Here, we have an engineer and a researcher who are geniuses even among those in the city, so we should be able to manage most technical failures. Today, it's just revelation after revelation, huh? I can vouch for Limbus Company's skills. I can also work on the simpler tasks. I've learned a thing or two about helping out Gramps, stuff about the lighthouse or various tech stuff. Well, then we should all head to the lighthouse together? No, I'll be leaving the group for a moment. Amiya will accompany you instead. What? After all that, and you're just going off on your own? Yes, to join the Doctor. It is imperative for the successful execution of this mission. Of course, that hinges on Amiya and Scotty remaining behind here to assist the rest of you. Thus, I will leave it to the rest of you to take the Eye of Liberia, the lighthouse, back. Wait, what do you mean take back the lighthouse? Is there someone or something out there that's taken over the lighthouse called the Eye of Liberia? A likely superstition. Amiya, what did the manager of Limbus Company say? They're asking if the lighthouse has been taken over by something. Not a bad intuition. Yes, there's a high likelihood that the structure has already been overrun by sea terrors. I don't know about overrun, but I've encountered them a few times when we approach it too closely. Normally, there's hardly enough personnel to attempt a raid on the lighthouse, but... Answer me this, are there any limitations to the revival? There are no restrictions as long as Dante, the manager, survives. However, do note that battle efficiency deprecates with prolonged battle due to the mounting mental stress on the manager. No need to change the plan then. Amiya, use this communicator to alert me as soon as you are able to identify the coordinates of the vessel from the lighthouse. If luck would have it, we should be able to reduce the time it takes to complete the retrieval mission. Okay, as long as you're not taking everyone with you. If it's just her who's leaving, then go ahead. I think we should be fine too. Then let us commence this mission, Vessel Mass Retrieval. Rightio, step 1 of the plan is the raft, right? Let's get on with it. It's done. Let's go. What? Why are you looking at us like that? Is there something bothering you? Must you ask? Just look how proactive and quick she's to jump into action. She certainly lives up to the image of an employee working for a large corporation. Thanks, Alice, for that charitable view, I guess. Thanks to Scotty, who had already finished the first step of the plan, we were able to move on to step 2 immediately. I guess this is another battle, maybe a stage 4 of the terrors? Either way, this should be difficult. Well, for what will come after. Oh, there's the light. Wait, there's art. Wait, who are you? Nether Sea Founder? Guess we'll have a lot of fun battling you.
불꽃을
Let's begin.
벼리겠소.
After a while of carefully sailing on Scani's raft along the coastal cliffs, a gargantuan shrouded lighthouse emerged from the thick mist. Eye of Liberia. Even its dilapidated, ruined state, touches that are at once monumental and sensitive are apparent on the exterior construction of the lighthouse. Some even call these lighthouses Guardians of Liberia. It retains the grandeur of the era as it was built during its golden age. You really do know everything, don't you? It is as she said, but now, these lighthouses are nothing but graveyards for countless inquisitors and soldiers of the Penal Battalion. No one who's attempted to retrieve a lighthouse has ever survived the expedition. Can you please not say scary stuff like that, Miss Irene? We're literally about to walk into one. Ugh, don't you ever quit chirping? What are you, a foul beast? Stop yapping in my ear! Why is this one such a coward unlike the rest of you outsiders? I'm not a coward, I'm just voicing my... She did just say some pretty concerning stuff. How long do you think the repairs would take? Its exterior is rather heavily damaged. However, the one is visible from the outside. Its exterior is quite still intact. With Miss Faust's expertise, it should not take very long. Yi-sung suggested with a smile, but Faust maintained her silence for the entire journey to the lighthouse. Then said something pretty concerning in response. Of course, my wit remains unmarred even in such uncertain seas. The currents are pretty wild. Someone's going to have to stay behind and keep an eye on the raft. We can't just leave it here unattended, but I don't know if we can carry it either. I'll stay here and protect the ship. You sure you can handle this alone? I know you're strong, but maybe one or two people should stay behind just in case. No, don't need them. See, terrorists will swarm the islet if I go with you anyway. So, this has nothing to do with you. Right, so what she's trying to say is that she's worried about you not having enough people to take on the lighthouse when she can handle this area alone. Which is why she is okay with staying behind alone. Thanks for explaining. Some people can't help but hop through an extra hoop, I guess. Well, let's trust her. Well then, let's trust her. We'll be back, Scotty. Luckily, we didn't run into any sea terrors on our way to the lighthouse gates. The problem is the gates were bound shut by strange blue tissues. Reminds me of that Elcor branch back in Eucor, though that one was wide. I don't think I can do anything to force it open myself, so... Guys, can you pry open this door? Oh wait, moving over. I'll pull it from the right side. You grab the left, and... We'll all pull together at one. 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3! Something's off here. What are you doing? The door is firmly secured in place. This flesh tissue regenerates as soon as muscle is torn. Perhaps you need to tap into a wilder form of art to get this open. Well, what now? The strange flesh tissue growing on the gates is sea terror. It reacts to the lamp, but it's grown too much to be afflicted by it in any meaningful capacity. Scani might be able to open this door with her incredible strength, but should I go fetch her? But I think she's already fighting off the sea terrors from sinking the raft. So we're all on our own. Huh. Maybe there's an identity card or eagle I could get through this. Switch one. Huh? Just I was pondering a familiar question. A flame black glow came into view and it devoured my sight. It was no intuition or inspiration. It's different from those sudden flashes of realization. And it's not the start of that day. I can think of time for time. It's not the horrible door that I see every time I turn the clock either. The formless and black space in which I'm not permitted to see. A faint noise, a whisper, cuts through it. And through that opening, I see a light. I reach out to the opening and see Skadi, born from a very warm gaze. Skadi? Powerful imagery crashes onto me like the waves. Skadi, the staggering dancer wielding a blade. Skadi, who flaunts her flowing locks. And Skadi, the senior, humming in a low voice. Beyond the fringes of cognition, Skadi's existence has become engraved. The sinner who can wrestle and control this oceanic tidal power is... Dante? Are you alright? I'm good. I don't think we'll need to send for Skadi. Huh? What? Hey, Ishmael. I've never used this eagle before, but I need you to trust me and accept it. What? An eagle? I nod quietly. Well, it's not like we'll ever get a chance to practice running with those eagle, whatever it is. Seems to me our managers found a solution. Our confusion is short-lived. She lets out a carefree laughter before stepping forward, boldly twirling her mace once more. I mean, what's worse that could happen? Get corroded?
한눈 팔지 마세요. 당신에게 파도는 반드시 밀려올 테니.
What? Cracks on the lighthouse are glowing. I think you destroyed the door instead of opening it. Sorry, didn't think it'd be this strong. Well, the door's open. What are we waiting for? No, I mean, what? Just what was the part where you... What, the part where I suddenly changed into a different outfit and equipped a totally different personality? Yes, that. That is... This is most fascinating. That ink can be drawn here in the lieu of the mirror of Cephalus. I think I connect to Amiya's subconscious mind. There was this strange, unfamiliar light, and I saw Amiya's emotion attached to her memories and experiences, so I just reached out to them. My subconscious mind? I just had this feeling that it would work. Sorry about peering into without asking first. But I didn't see anything other than things about Skadi. All I needed were memories, emotions, that can be used to understand the being that is Skadi. It's okay. I also have experience with gaining power from others' memories and emotions to overcome difficult situations. Maybe that's how you were able to draw something from me as well, Dante? That is the most appropriate assumption, especially in a situation in which delving into its principles is impossible. So that's called ego? Verily, of course, Nimbus Company's ego is quite distinguished from the other kinds of egos, which are bloomed from within oneself. That is enough. No further information is to be divulged to outsiders. Yet, it matters not whether young mayors and young Amiya learn of this. I agree with that full this time. The Inquisitor used an artillery projectile that penetrates the outer wall. Several of them, in fact, of a building, and the head did not pursue her, following that breach of taboo. This is clearly not the city. Ain't it better to let her talk her heart out than to hear her moan and whine about not being able to say anything? I am convinced. Do as you will, then. Faust's reply sounded almost sulky, but Don Quixote immediately began to expound upon ego to Irene and Mayors anyways. But everyone was too busy to pay attention to her, as the wet slithering noise from the distance had put everyone on edge. Can we do that later? We've got some cleaning up to do. So there were more sea terrors past the door. I think any sea terrors from the area are all converging around Skadi, which means our only roadblocks are sea terrors still lingering around the lighthouse. Let's go. Let's take this lighthouse back. That was so fucking interesting.
중앙본부에서 전파할게.
I like this.
지금부터 제압 임무를 시작할 거야. 언제나 하는 일이지만 항상 꼼꼼하게 하라고. 최선을 다할 거라고 믿어.
Wait, these are one of the special pads. I know these.
사격 개시.
끝내. 전수하리.
적에게 치명상을 입혔군요. 관리자님은 당신이 생각하는 것보다 대단한 능력을 갖추고 있다고 제가 늘 말씀드렸죠.
제가 묻었네요.
저는 언제나 옳은 말만 한답니다.
사실 어지러워서 못 봤어요. 뭐
마침표를.
또 대단한 일이라도 하신 거
개체들의 체력이 많이
공무
깎여나가서
지원한다.
괴로워하는 게 느껴지지 않아? 이 기세로 계속 나아가보자.
낙인을 새겨드리죠.
효율적인 대처로 개체를 꿰뚫었습니다. 참고로 기계는 입에 발린 말 따위 쉽게 하지 않아요.
한 점만 노린다.
비효율적인 공격이었습니다. 보아하니 개체에 관한 기록을 제대로 펼쳐보지도 않은 직원이
이번에
있는 듯
이 싸움을 끝내주겠어. 언제까지 버티나 보자고. 사선이 비었어요.
시야 확보. 쏜다.
흐드러지게.
개체에게 치명적인 손상을 입히는 데 성공했습니다. 앞으로의 전투도 이대로만 부탁드리겠습니다.
직원 상태가 이상해요. 역시 이것 봐요. 제가 미리 상담했어야 제대로 굴러가는 건데.
타겟 포착 1시간.
사랑으로 정의의 이름으로.
네, 잘 들어갔네요. 흐드러지게 건 아니지만요.
제압 효과가 굉장히 좋았어. 기록적인 피해량인 것 같다.
나갔어.
제압 개체에게 큰 피해를 준 것 같아. 기획팀의 지간다운 완벽한
움직임의
공격이었어.
어설퍼야.
이 수치는 아까 어떤 직원이 제압 개체에 한 번에 입힌 피해량이야. 잠깐! 진짜? 왜 부서팀장을 안 달아줬지? 순식간에 끝내줘.
깔끔한 헤드샷. 머리통에 적살났다고.
자, 악은 이렇게 정화되었네.
타오르시게. 남기는 바는 없겠지.
사실은 그렇게 대단한 일도 아니에요. 혹시 칭찬을 받았다면 엔젤라님이나 말쿠트를 부르는 편이 나았을 거예요. 제가 아니라요.
타겟 포착 1시 방향. 남기는 바는 없겠지.
악은 이렇게 정화되었네.
사실은 그렇게 대단한 일도 아니에요. 혹시 칭찬을 받았다면 엔젤라님이나 말쿠트를 부르는 편이 나았을 거예요. 제가 아니라요.
여전히 무섭고 겁이 나. 그럼에도 멈추고 싶지 않아.
현! 아르카나 슬레이버!
올바른 방법으로 개체에게 일격을 가했군요. 이것이 바로 정보의 힘.
흐드러지게.
불타버렸나. 망설임 나아갈 수 없어.
사실은 그렇게 대단한 일도 아니에요. 혹시 칭찬을 받았다면 엔젤라님이나 말쿠트를 부르는 편이 나았을 거예요. 제가 아니라요.
만만찮겠군. 본인이 하지.
깔끔한 헤드샷.
방금 공격
머리통에
다음에
적살났다고.
다른 개체에게도 다시 해봐줄래? 영상으로 남기면 다른 직원에게도 도움이 될지도 몰라. 악은 이렇게 정화되었네.
불타버렸나.
이제야 회사가 정상으로 돌아갔네.
That was a bit.
이번 제압은 끝이야. 너희들도
That was a
고생
bit
많았어.
long, but at least we've gone through it
티트리트,
now.
너도. 언젠가 우리도
Let's continue.
모든 게 끝날 때가 오면 좋겠네.
그때가 되면 휴식을 기다리며
확실한 승리였어요. 돌아가면 저번처럼 홈파티라도 할까요?
Rough tides. Just seeing light there. Ooh, another one. they got sea crabs. No. Whatever. Those things look like they came from Pokemon.
발목 잡지 않도록 최선을 다할게요.
너희도 이번 역경을 헤쳐나가기만 하면 능력을 기를 수 있을 거야. 비록 그 과정에서 희생이 나올 수 있겠지만 내가 세피라로서 너희가 죽지 않도록 도와줄게.
타겟 포착 1시간.
제압 개체에게 큰 피해를 준 것 같아. 교육부의 직원다운 완벽한 공격이었어.
힘들어지게. 죄송해요. 이제 어디 가서 못 봤어. 뭐, 또 대단한 일이라도 하신 거겠죠?
사랑으로! 정의! 이름으로! 개체들의 체력이 많이 깎여나가서 괴로워하는 게 느껴지지 않아? 이 기세로 계속 나아가보자.
개체에게 치명적인 손상을 입히는 데 성공했습니다. 앞으로의 전투도 이대로만 부탁드리겠습니다.
사격 개시.
히스클리프 지금.
시야 확보. 쏜다.
과감하게.
직원들 표정이 좋지 않네. 무슨 일 있었어, 티페리트? 난들 알겠어. 직원들 분위기가 안 좋은 건 뭐 너무 흔한 일이잖아. 그것도 그렇긴 하겠네.
순식간에 끝내죠.
이 정도쯤이야?
끝내. 전수하리.
방금 공격은 좋았어. 이대로만 계속해보면 좋을 텐데.
낙인을 새겨드리죠. 만들지 말고
올바른 방법으로 개체에게 일격을 가해
이번에야말로
이것이
이
바로
싸움을
정보의 힘입니다.
끝내주겠어.
It's only turn 4 and we've only killed like 6 of them.
순식간에 끝내죠.
움직임의 어설퍼요.
한 점만 노린다. 깔끔한 헤드샷. 머리통에 적살났다고.
사랑으로!
타오르 시계.
효율적인 대처로 개체를 꿰뚫었습니다.
나갈 수 없어.
훌륭한 제압 성과를 낸 직원이 있군요. 효율적인 결과를 위해서
제압 효과가
이쯤에서
굉장히
관리자님이
좋았어.
칭찬의 말을
기록적인
건네줘도 좋을
피해량인
것
것
같네요.
같아.
물론 진심까지
God,
담길
another
필요는
one?
없습니다. 순식간에 끝내죠. 제가 묻었네요. 적에게 치명상을 입혔군요. 관리자님은 당신이 생각하는 것보다 대단한 능력을 가지고 있다.
말은 없겠지.
제가 늘 말씀드렸죠. 저는 언제나 옳은 말만 한답니다.
그 삶의 마침표를.
제압 개체에게 맞는 정상적인 공격이야. 잘했어. 캐릭트. 당연한 걸 한 것 가지고 굳이 칭찬할 필요 없어. 야! 아르카나 세이버!
네, 잘 들어갔네요. 크게 의미 있는 성과는 아니지만요.
순식간에 끝내죠.
비들어지게.
나갈 수 없어.
정의보다도 푸른 자요, 사랑보다 붉은 자요. 운명 속에 파묻힌 그대의 이름을 걸고 여기서 빛찬 냄새나 우리 앞을 막는 증오스러운 존재들에게 나와 그대의 힘을 합쳐 위대한 사랑의 힘을 보여줄 것을! 아르카나 슬레이버!
와, 방금 너무 근사한 일격이었는데? 관리자님에게 우수한 평가를 받을 수 있겠어.
여전히 무섭고 겁이 나. 그럼에도 멈추고 싶지 않아.
이 정도쯤이야? 자, 악은 이렇게 정화되었네.
나갈 수 없어.
먼저 빠진다.
사실은 그렇게 대단한 일도 아니에요. 혹시 칭찬을 바랐다면 엔젤라님이나 말쿠트를 부르는 편이 나았을 거예요. 제가 아니라요.
순식간에 끝내죠.
방금 공격. 다음에 다른 개체에게도 다시 해봐줄래? 영상으로 남기면 다른 직원에게도 도움이 될지도 몰라. 사랑으로! 자, 악은 이렇게 정화되었네.
Holy crap, that was
이제야
long.
회사가 정상으로 돌아갔네. 이번 제압은 끝이야. 너희들도 고생 많았어.
It was like fighting the
특별히
sweepers, except
너도.
there were actually 100 of
언젠가
them
우리도
to
모든 게
defeat.
끝날 때가 오면 좋겠네. 그때가 되면
Sheesh.
승리의 보람과 세상의 아름다움에 대해
Either way,
들어본 적 있는가?
victory.
없어도 전혀 상관없다네. 지금 우리가 보는 경치가
The
바로
fabled knight?
그런 것일
그-
테니.
입장을 알리는 음악 소리가
There were more sea terrors than we expected near the lighthouse, but thanks to Irene's lamp, the light of which paralyzed their nervous systems, paired with the rather narrow passageways, we were able to handle them without much trouble. Also, as the control room was, unlike the exterior wall, was mostly undamaged. Voss shared the good news that the repairs most likely won't take very long. Isang is right. Fortunately, the inside is barely damaged. How are you progressing, Miss Faust? It is almost complete. We best prepare to leave. A tremor shakes the building with a large boom, and debris begins to fall from the ceiling. The lighthouse precarious floor suddenly collapsed from the shock. Ah! The floor is giving way! What's going on out there? Something ran against the eye of Liberia. I see alt shattering through the ocean surface, the sheer explosive force turning water into mist. And it is charging at us once again. As Yisang noted, I saw the shadow of a dark figure through the ruptured outer wall of the lighthouse, charging ferociously at the ruined structure. The figure looked a lot like one of those knights of the city's western region Don Quixote would talk at length about. The lighthouse might crumble at this rate. Then we have no choice. We have to stop whatever is out there. Faust, stay here. The rest of us will descend the lighthouse, and the lighthouse is almost fully functional. It only takes some finishing touches to have its lights shine one again, which I can handle, so I'll stay behind. It's entirely unnecessary to leave the rest of you. I would much rather leave it to Faust, who is an expert. I've read about that seaboard before. The fables and legends say that he is the last knight, and if those stories have any grain of truth in them, you're going to need all hands on deck to even have a chance at stalling it. You better be prepared. You better prepare for a few days of interrogations once I bring you into the Inquisition. Your decision, executive manager? All hands on deck. Leave the lighthouse to Mayors. We have to put a stop to that night somehow. Waves crest high and violent behind the spear-wielding knight. We have to protect that already precarious lighthouse against the night. The night begins to charge at us, his steeds spitting the very sea, and I instinctively know that this isn't going to be easy. Holy shit! One day, wheat grains he planted did not sprout. One day, he stops feeling the sense of life between his breaths. Thus, he rides against the currents, hunting after waves. He seeks the waves, reproaches them, and eventually brings about their destruction. Faint memories, having blinked through Amia's fathoms, flash briefly before my eyes, and the sea-born knight wields his great lance against the sea, against surface sea terrors. He shudders as though with impulsiveness, but he does not stop. You obstruct progress and cover the lands. That is impermissible. This is the land. The knight and the sea terror don't necessarily seem to be on the same side. Perhaps diplomacy might be a viable solution here? Talk to the knight. Who will do it? You do it. We are not the sea. We are not its waves. The knight's great lance falters with doubt. Waves are the only things that hold any meaning for him.
자,
The last
되냐?
knight gains 3 offense down.
역수한테 이런 거
調子
시키지
が悪
좀
くな
마라.
っているみたいです
Shit. Whoever did the art for this guy, oh my god, they went all out. Cold? Freeze? Oh, brother. He has 2,048 HP in total.
만만찮겠군. 본인이 하지.
키스칼리가 지금
Feeling chilly?
쏜다.
히야! 아르카나 빛! 차!
Oh, we're all cold. What the hell? 管理人
What the hell will that do? No more tide hunting.
한 점만 노린다.
What?
그 삶에 마침표를! 끝내 전소하리.
낙인을 새겨드리죠.
The sinner's relentless assault upon the knight begins to slow. Though we don't have anything in common with the knight, cold, cold loneliness rides his bellow, insidious under the faint light. Are we waves or rocks in his eyes? The sea The sea wets our heads, giving us no time to answer the question. Someone has to stand their ground next to the petrified sinners. Hong Lu warms reignites the fire of determination in the rest of the sinners. In that moment, Irene raises her lamp, showering the night with its light. Liberia's flames illuminates our path. Unlike the night, we're not alone, so we do not have to endure the chilling loneliness by ourselves.
계획을 세워두면 이런 것도 어렵지 않답니다.
이 싸움을 끝내주겠어.
Sorry.
여전히 무섭고 겁이 나. 그럼에도 멈추고 싶지 않아.
파격감.
味方が優勢です。今こそ勝機をつかむ時です。
당신의 판단을 따르게.
사랑으로 정의 이름으로 이루.皆さん、この勢いに乗って勝ちに行きましょう。
언제까지 버티나 보자고.
내가 찾은 나만의 항해 방식.
カンテさん、なんだかただならぬ気配を感じます。
걱정만 끼치게 되는 꼴인데.
The knight rides upon the violently whining steed. Lance raised skyward. The knight races across the sea, splitting its waves. We won't succeed at this rate. Stall him, please, even for a second. Irene directs her hand cannon towards the knight. Her aim and will undulates on the same frequency with the waves. We need but a moment to recover. Topple the waves. Go for his legs, not his lance. We have to stop the knight's charge. The knight's fierce charge briefly wavers when Heathcliff jumps in the path. The Inquisitor quickly capitalizes on this momentary opening. A blinding spark flies from her hand cannon, and the knight is thrown off the steed.
자, 됐냐?
Dead shadow
저격수한테 이런
pulls
거
under
시키지
the
좀
lone
마라.
knight. Sorrows of teeming flesh sliding against the flesh can be heard from beneath. Are they gathered to defeat the knight? They must have first gathered there, believing him to be one of them, until they came into a realization that the knight is a traitor to the great will. The knight leaps off from the surface, but the sea rises violently in response to drag him back down. The waves crest high, gnawing upon the knight, crashing him back down to the water's surface. But he leaps once again, the cresting waves as his stepping stones. He belongs not to the sea. He stands tall against the great will, his head held high in eternal defiance. The unremittable knight rides across the watery mountains and charges at us. A high-pitched and powerful cry resonates. The knight's steed is sending out a warning for something. Hong Lu brings the knight's charge to a stop. Then the waves begin to crash in. Once, thrice. Once, twice, thrice. But unlike the knights in the back streets, the waves don't stop coming. He has always challenged the waves, and is fated to do so for eternity. The waves will always shake the seas until the day of the knight's stream sinking.
계획을 세워두면 이런 것도 어렵지 않답니다.
언제까지 버티나 보자고.
이상이 무엇이라 생각하시오?
그 삶의 마침표를!
사랑으로 정의 이름으로
먼저 빠진다.
天バスカンパニーの皆さんとご一緒できて本当に嬉しいです。
순식간에 끝내줘.
내 팔은 뼈에 있었어. 벌써 만나러 가는가? 게르지.
종원, 조명이 전멸하는 저곳으로. 파도가 모든 것을 쳐부술 거다.
囚人が退却できませんでした。ダンテさんには囚人を蘇生できる能力がありましたよね。
불가 위야. 막아내지 못하리. 전부 찢어버리겠네! 먹고 싶네.
囚人に致命傷を確認。至急対処お願いします。
이래서 끝까지 함께 싸울 수 있을 거라 생각했어요.
저격 재배치 완료.
囚人が死亡。どうすれば。
대가리 딱 떼고.
내가 너를 위해 기도할 것이니 넌 반드시 부서진다.
내 죄는 내가 알아서 처리한다.
That was difficult as fuck. Holy crap. I'm out of rounds. The lamp's almost out too. We're holding him back for now, but we won't last much longer. No BS. I can last. The lighthouse, not so much. What difference does that make? Sinners were reeling from the battle against his enemy, who was more like a force of nature than human. Without giving us much time to breathe, the knight fixes the spear and begins charging at us again. It didn't take very long for the severity of the situation to dawn, as I quickly began to rack my head with a desperate wish. What can I do? What can I do here? That's when, through the mist, the black space begins to envelop my vision once again. Wait, this is just like... And from the dark, light shines again. I reach out towards it and see, unlike in the earlier phenomenon, which focused entirely and powerfully on Skadi, a single individual. What I saw this time was an unfamiliar place called Casmiris. This place was filled to the brim with things that Don Quixote would lose her mind over, like knights and their countless fans, an arena in which to test one's mettle. But the one in Amiya's thoughts sits far from all that glory, in a mundane-looking office. He wears a well-kept set of clothing, while his eyes are, with a slight squint, focusing on reading the newspaper. The man looked more like an office worker than a knight, but the most radiant part of that scene was the banner hanging on the wall and a sword. Don Quixote was the first sinner who came to mind. Can she, our ardent admirer of knights and pursuer of glory, spin that energy from his sword as her own? Wait, no. He's different. He's I need someone who doesn't pursue glory, someone who can handle their own tarnished glory. The sinner who can detachedly wield the entirety of their bygone honor is... Yes, there is just one. I'll trust you, Gregor. Use this ego to hew into the night's charge. Split the waves. Use the light to split the waves, huh? I hear you, Manager Bud. Let's do this.
이 검은, 이 명예는, 이 영광은 이빨이지 않았구나.
The incandescent golden blades of light surge forth, cleaving through the darkness of the sea. The knight withstands and parries each of those lights away, but he comes to a stop when the last of the golden radiance cuts across the sea and looks in our direction as if to admire it. And finally, the lighthouse makes a low resonant creaking noise before firing a bright light towards the ocean horizon. Mayers has completed the repairs. Ooh! The light returneth to its house once more. Silence all. Mayers is saying something. Like Aldous said, Mayers was peeking out of the windows and shouting something at us. Vessel Masses is still near the shores, somewhere in the coastal sea. It's moored somewhere by the beach, somewhere quite a bit of distance away from the village coast. Confirmed. I'll radio Dr. Calst immediately. That's all well and good, but what about that monster? Yeah, what if it charges at the lighthouse again and destroys it? I heard it talk during our battle, but I don't think that creature is capable of actually communicating with them. This will be a problem. Don Quixote? Wait, don't get too close to it. It's too dangerous. But before we could stop her, Don Quixote had already approached as close as she could to the seaboard, her eyes twinkling. She takes a brief moment to admire the knight and the steed, before asking in an energetic voice, Almighty Knight, what is the name of thy noble steed? Rocinante. Wait, she can communicate with him? Ooh, 'tis quite a coincidence. Mine then those steeds are also named Rocinante. One who is not a comrade. They are a steed, you say? Forsooth, a steed most fine indeed, that served me well over countless adventures of mine, despite its appearance. Yet I must inquire thee, noble knight, wherefore dost thou strike this lighthouse so? Ishmar. It was not the waves. The waves, darker, more raucous. Perchance there was a tad inconvenient misjudging here then. Good night. I and my compatriots are now embarking upon an adventure most important. Yet with thy obstruction we are unable to do so. Prithee, wilt thou return to whence thou came? Don Quixote regarded the knight with a stance that was most courteous and brave. And the knight and the steed, Rocinante, stared wordlessly at Don Quixote. I wasn't sure if she managed to get through the night, or if the knight just lost interest, but they both departed the lighthouse, looking out into the far distance. So it really exists. Seaborns who hope for something other than just survival. Such powerful seaborn lurk at sea. Are you alright, Donkey? You should be thankful that it was somehow yielded a positive outcome. When are you going to fix that habit of rushing forward without thinking it through? Mine apologies. While Don Quixote returned the knight with that bizarre conversation, Amiya raised her voice happily as though she'd just received good news. What? Dr. Kaus, is that true? What's going on? The doctors managed to infiltrate the vessel Massas. They're already done cleaning up the decks and are now waiting for the rest of us to arrive. Well, it's been hardly 10 minutes since the lighthouse came on. The doctor's an excellent strategist, and based on what Dr. Kaus told us, I think they already had some plans in motion before we activated the lighthouse. Great, let's turn to Scotty and join them. We returned to the raft and explained what had transpired. Scotty listened to us quietly before replying in the exact same manner as she did before. Someone's going to stay behind. I'll stay. Go find the vessel masses. You're going to refuse again if we offer help, aren't you? Yes. Then I'll see you after we retrieve the vessel masses. I'll let the doctor know what happened here. What an oddball. We killed another we defeated another Don Quixote somehow. Excellent.
거봐. 내가 뭐랬어?
Excellent.
돌아와서 모조리 불태울 거라고 했잖아.
Now we begin to meet the doctor themselves. The other
총은
protagonist.
수지 타산에 맞게 한 발에 한 놈씩.
This is the doctor, researchers at Rhodey's Island. BRB. Nice to meet you. When I, after everything we went through, finally had the chance to meet the doctor of Rhodey's Island, I realized I'd been building a vastly different image of them in my mind based on the name alone. I was thinking of they were going to be someone like Isang, Foss, or Hohenheim from the Limbus Company Extraction. But the first impression of them was similar to what I felt when I met a K-Corp employee. The clock just ticked. And this is Dante, a manager at Limbus Company. The ticking was now it's just nice to meet you. Okay. Thanks for accompanying Amiya. Honestly, I was pretty worried when we were separated at the border. I should thank you and Amiya, actually. We would have been in a real pickle without her, so... It's a bit embarrassing to repeat that myself. Dante says that we would have been in a real pickle without Miss Amiya. Sorry, manager, but can talk human, so don't worry about it. We'll take over the translation. It is incorrect to state that the manager cannot talk human. A more accurate assessment would state that the manager is incapable of assessing sonic means of communication, which means verbal communication. However, they are able to produce repetition of multiple sounds that may register on a similar scale to the ticking of multiple hands, second hands, minute hands of a clock. I don't know, something about the way Merzhal put it sounds worse. Don't worry, it's not a difficult task when only a single individual has to be translated. Doctor, let's move on to the next step of the plan. Next step? Thanks to Limbus Company's efforts, we obtained the exact coordinates of the vessel Massas and managed to capture the decks with ease. However, Fabius, who's expected to be the Bishop of the Deep, and his followers have barricaded themselves inside the bridge's control room. While it may seem as though they're hiding, I believe they're trying to bait us. As in, they're waiting for us to enter the bridge before summoning reinforcements from elsewhere to trap us in a pincer attack? Something like that. The elsewhere is most likely to be the sea, as the reinforcements are probably more sea terrors. Fabius is a seaborn, and the ocean will answer to the call of their kind. Limbus Company and Irene will head to the bridge and neutralize Fabius. Amiya and I will accompany you to provide support and identify the situation within the bridge. In the meantime, Cast and the other operators will remain on standby on the ship's exterior at the pre-designated locations. I'd like to avoid getting surrounded by sea terrors before we manage to take down the church of the deep within the bridge. I observed several entry points leading straight to the bridge while we were working on repairing this vessel. But your force doesn't seem numerous enough to close off all of them. It is true that there are many entry points here, but we don't need forces guarding every single of them. Especially here, the hallway is narrow, long, and straight, so... Makes sense to me. How about here? Are you sure you're not overly focusing your forces to a single checkpoint? Let's see, but on a closer look... Looks like Commanding Officer Audis is finally in her environment. Got any questions, Manager Bud? I have no idea what they're talking about, if I'm being honest. Really? I saw you commanding the Sinners earlier. You seemed pretty adept at giving orders and making strategic decisions. Indeed, they seem quite adept at making on-the-spot strategic commands and identifying exploitable weaknesses and patterns in their enemies. However, the Doctor and the Outsider are operating on fundamentally different fields. No further elaborations is necessary. Agreed. That particular aspect of strategizing is not one of Manager Dante's obligations, and even if there was a chance for them to engage such elements, it may be too early to do so. Are you hinting that we might get something similar to a tower defense? Probably not, but who knows? Let's see if, Arknights does another collaboration sometime. Later. Is that so? It is. At least this is what Faust has judged. What are you on about? I was about to ask that myself. I don't know. I have no idea. Having finished your discussion with the doctor over the plan, Aldous returned wearing a grim look. Huh? Is something wrong with the plan? No, there wasn't anything wrong with the plan. I expected a certain degree of competency, but they were impressive, far beyond my expectations. Really? That good, huh? Even when I think back to my days in the line of duty, I can't think of too many of like them. Right, so they're dependable. Enough for me. If your strategizing done, let's get cracking. What if you, Miss Mayers? If it's too much to face what awaits, then you need not to follow us. I decide to stay here anyways. The doctor's going to update you in real time on where the safe zones are, so please keep that communicator close to you. I will. Hey, if Gramps, is there something you would like for us to do? No, it's nothing. If there's something you want to tell him, contact us through the communicator at any time. We're going to find a way to resolve this as peacefully as we can, but if the negotiations break down... Yeah, I know what you mean, Doctor. Be safe, everyone. Leaving Mayers behind with her unfinished sentence, we followed the Rhodys Island team into the bridge. The bridge was as gaudy decorated as ever. Fabius, flanked by the hooded followers and the Sea Terrors, greeted us with a kindly smile. Welcome. I truly did appreciate thy kindness. Wordforce did thou seek to harm us? Your suspicions are certainly justified, but implore you to think back. If you truly believed that we had sought to harm you then, how would you explain that one peaceful night you have spent in Fair Murata? We have never wished you any harm. We did not then, as we do not now. Not even a day after you folks stabbed us in the back like cowards, and you want us to believe that? Our wish has always been the same. We only wish to extend the freedom to roam the seas with those with capable, kind-hearted souls. Mate, we know you were just trying to turn us into sea monsters of some kind. Monster is only a name. The essence of its being changes not regardless of the label given to it. Become one with the sea, become one with the endless cycle of life, and one day, your misunderstandings will end, and you will come to understand us. Looks like this fight between us is going to be unavoidable. I pulled out the identity cards the moment I saw Fabius raising his hand. The doctors seemed to have finished their preparations as well, as they and Amia stood opposite Fabius. Incoming! Get ready, everyone! Let's stop them here for good, no matter how long it takes. Their strategic formation prioritized reducing sacrifices to the absolute minimum. Their commands sought to protect, sought to defend, and their forces were quick to follow them. Rhodes Island's operation was certainly oppressive, but that's not exactly our style. All I can do is put faith in the sinners and push them onward. Our style is, trust me to bring you back, no matter how many times they cut you down. Let's wipe them out. Red and blue stained true.
직원들 복장 점검은 다 마치셨습니까?
Two waves, eh?
저번처럼 소매단추를
14
달랑거리는
enemies.
채로 제압하는
This will be
직원이
quite fun.
보여서는
당신의 판단을 따를게요.
대체에게 치명적인 손상을 입히는 데 성공했습니다. 앞으로의 전투도 이대로만 부탁드리겠습니다.
방금 공격 다음에 다른 개체에게도 다시 해봐줄래? 영상으로 남기면 다른 직원에게도 도움이 될지도 몰라.
좋아. 잠깐만.
제압 개체에게 큰 피해를 준 것 같아. 교육팀의 직원다운 완벽한 공격이었어.
타겟 포착 1시 방향.
좋아.
적에게 치명상을 입혔군요.
시계.
관리자님은 당신이 생각하는 것보다 대단한 능력을 갖추고 있다고 제가 늘 말씀드렸죠. 저는 언제나 옳은 말만 한답니다.
사랑으로! 이 정도쯤이야?
낙인을 새겨드리죠.
잘 들어갔네요.
보냈고
크게 의미 있는 성과는 아니지만요.
다음 목표로
개체들의 체력이 많이 깎여 나갔어. 괴로워하는 게
이번이야말로
느껴지지 않아?
이
이
싸움을
기세로 계속
끝내주겠어.
나아가보자.
순식간에 끝내죠.
비들어지게.
올바른 방법으로 개체에게 일격을 가했습니다. 이것이 바로 정보의 힘입니다.
직원들의 상태가 이상하네요. 약간 맛이 가버린 것 같은데. 확인 좀 해주실래요?
사격 개시.
깔끔한 헤드샷. 머리통에
제압 효과가
적시를
굉장히
났다고.
좋아서
나갈 수
기록적인
없어.
피해량인 것 같다.
아까의 공격으로 인해서 대상에게 많은 피해를 입혔어. 적들이 충분히 나약해졌다는 거지. 끝을 내도 될 것 같아.
여전히 무섭고 커. 그럼에도 멈추고 싶지 않아. 이러면 쏠 수 있죠?
공론 지원한다.
비틀어지게.
방금 공격은 좋았어. 이대로만 계속해보면 좋을 텐데. 야! 아르카나 슬레이버! 제압 개체에게 맞는 정상적인 공격을 잘했어. 키페리트, 당연한 걸 한 것
점만
가지고
노린다.
굳이 칭찬할 필요 없어.
깔끔한 헤드샷. 머리통에 작살났다고.
죄송해요. 잠시 어지러워서 못 봤어요. 뭐 또 대단한 일이라도 하신 거겠죠?
언제까지 버티나 보자.
다음 목표로
타오르시게.
조금만 더 힘내자. 이제 정말 개체의 제압까지 얼마 남지 않았어.
사격 개시.
사랑으로!
비틀어지게.
이러면 쏠 수 있죠?
시야 확보. 쏜다.
아까의 공격으로 인해서 대상에게 많은 피해를 입혔어. 적들이 충분히 나약해졌다는 거지. 끝을 내도 될 것 같아.
순식간에 끝내줘.
야! 아르카나 슬레이버!
효율적인 대처로 개체를 꿰뚫었습니다. 참고로 기계는 입에 발린 말 따위 쉽게 하지 않아요.
마침표를! 이러면
그대로만
쏠 수 있죠?
해주신다면
공로 지원한다.
오늘은 제압이 빠르겠어요.
먼저 빠진다.
아까의 공격으로 인해서 대상에게 많은 피해를 입혔어. 적들이 충분히 나약해졌다는 거지. 끝을 내도 될 것 같아.
How come you're not using the upgraded version?
긴장하셨나요? 그럴 땐 크게 심호흡을 하면 도움이 된답니다.
과격검.
칼을 치솟는다. 이 전투는 승리할 거예요.
여기 오랜만에 모범을 보여주는 직원이 있군요. 효율적으로 개체들을 처리했습니다. 정보팀만이 가능한 업적이었겠죠.
무사히 연명하던 목숨도 오늘로 끝나겠군요. 과격검. 흐드러지게 닿은 시계.
종원, 조명이 전멸하는 저곳으로 파도가 모든 것을 쳐부술 거다.
개체의 약점을 정확히 꿰뚫었습니다. 준비를 철저히 했나 보군요.
개체가
이번이야말로
유리한 조건을 이용하고자 하는
이
징조가
싸움을
보입니다만
끝내주겠어.
관리자님의 전술력과 제 지시만 있다면 그다지 위협적이진 않을 것 같군요. 순식간에 끝내죠.
진리겨 버리겠어. 이래선 걱정만 끼치게 되는 꼴이.
쓰레기 같은 아르카나 놈들! 제가 묻었네요.
하얗고 슬픈 아이들. 그저 해결할 펼수.
봐, 어렵지 않지? 이미 관찰 기록이 있는 유형대로만 공격하면 되잖아.
관찰 기록을 잘 읽은 것 같네.
많이 따가울걸요?
훌륭했어.
일단 베이면 상체에서 안
상담에서
떨어질
알려준 대로 잘했어.
칼을 치솟는다.
프로그램을 진행한 건
저였나 보군요.
잘할 일이야.
결국 지켜내지.
모두들 죄책감은 버려. 어차피 구하지 못할 동료였어.
불가위야. 막아내지 못하리. 너도 누군가에겐 아껴졌겠지만
하얗고 슬픈 아이들이고 그저 애도를 표할 수밖에.
방금 했던 공격은 매우 효과적이었어. 하지만 아직 부족해. 다음 공격은 더 잘할 수 있도록.
끝내 정수하리.
으타! 먹어 치워라!
뭐야 이 수치는. 아까 어떤 직원이 제압 개체에 한 번에 입힌 피해량이야. 잠깐! 진짜? 왜 부서팀장을 안 달아줬지?
언제까지 버티나 보자고.
배우지 못하고 가는 것이 그저 못마땅 하고.
지키기 위해서
저는 봤어요, 관리자님. 죽어가는 직원의 간절한 표정을요. 제 교육이 부족했던 걸까요?
언제까지 버티나 보자고.
지키기 위해서
낙인을 새겨드리죠.
내 죄는 내가 알아서 처리한다.
직원들이 개체를 제압하는 데 성공했어요. 이걸로 많은 피해를 예방할 수 있을 거예요.
대가리 딱 떼고 개체의 유효한 속성을 정확하게 간파했습니다. 제 예상만큼 관리자님의 능력이 우수하다는 것이 증명되는 것 같아 다행이군요. 대가리 딱 떼고 아차!
How ironic.
이제야 회사가
Seaborn
정상으로 돌아갔네.
by fire.
이번 제압은 끝이야. 너희들도 고생
Jesus, that
많았어.
took so long.
티페리트, 너도.
They're pretty persistent. Fabius flees again, using Sea Terrors and his followers as meat shields. Wait, no. I see it now. It's not Fabius who's putting them in harm's way to save himself. The Sea Terrors and the cultists are throwing themselves in our way, entirely willing to sacrifice their lives to ensure that Fabius gets away. But for all that, the only place left for him to flee on is on the ship, wounded and cornered by the Sinners and Irene's lamplight, was the decks. Nowhere left to run, Fabius. I understand you can't help but continue to thrash and struggle to live, even knowing that there is no hope. But running will only make your pain worse. That's different. Fabi didn't run to live. A voice echoes from under the dark sky. Mayers? Mayers, appearing quite different from how she did a moment ago. She approaches Fabi slowly, her expression solemn and mournful. She looks at him wordlessly. I told you that your methods won't win their understanding, Fabi. What a shame. I thought those with such wisdom and aptitude would. I hoped you would still be able to realize your ideal here, even after I left. It will be realized. Fabius may die here, but we will remain. Now it is time. Devour me. What Fabius blurted out threw us off again, even before we regained our footing from the shock of realizing Mayer's true allegiance. Eat people? Oh-ho. Looks like you're going to give us a live demonstration of some gourmet art. I heard it's a pretty common thing in the District 23 back streets, but I'd rather not see in person. Hey, I'm gonna look away, that's okay, right? Just what? Doctor, weaker seaborns willingly let themselves to be devoured by stronger ones, thereby sharing their experience and nutrients within them. This is a commonly accepted practice among them. It is but a behavior that prioritizes survival over all else. This isn't done in any sense of sacrifice. The time is here. Devour me. Set sail towards your ideal. Sorry, Fabi. I've still got some canned food left for me on this ship, and I think I'll delay becoming a seaboard for a little while. Why? I found a new destination. I'll gain a new power from there, and then become a seaborn, so now is not yet the time. If that is your will, oh Bishop. Don't worry, your flesh will fatten the bloodkin of the sea. Mayers waves his hand, and the Sea Terrors climb up the vessel from the ship and begin tearing Fabius to pieces. Despite the way it looked, Fabius looked exhilarated, nary a look of suffering or pain wrinkling his face as though they ripped his flesh apart. We turned away from the scene that could not be described as anything other than a cannibalism to look at Mayers. Kaust, is she? Don't need to ask questions when the answer lies plainly before you, Doctor. What is happening? Wherefore did young Mayers? It wasn't Fabius. Mayers was the Bishop of the Deep.
그 정도 화력으로 우리 사무소를 막을 수 있을 줄 알았냐? 저놈들 무기까지 줘서 철수하자고.
They've played us. Don't despair, we still have the upper hand. We defeated Fabius and his cultists already, and even if they were to summon more Sea Terrors, we should be able to handle them without much trouble. Hey, Ager, just what were you thinking the entire time you've deceived us? I had a feeling I knew what she was going to say to that. She was either going to say that it was for our sake, and that wasn't a deception at all, or maybe she'll give us one final gloating. But a reply, the words of which were carefully selected after gazing out at the far ocean, was not what any of us could have expected. I'm sorry. I thought this would be the better way to approach you, but I see how it can be across as nothing more than deception. You're sorry? Why? Dante wants to know why you're sorry. Huh? Well, that's because I did something wrong. Wait, hold on. You've been deceiving us all along, Mayers, and now you're going to... Oi, what exactly are you after? You're after the same thing that the geezer was, ain't that right? Turned us into your bloodkins, that was all for sake? Giving us all kind of ridiculous excuses to turn us into one of those monsters? I do hope that you would all one day accept becoming Seaborns. But I'm not about to demand that you let yourself be transformed today, right here, right now. I understand we all need some time to mentally prepare ourselves. May I understand your statement to be implying that you will not be forcing this upon us should we refuse? That's correct. It'd be against manners to do what Fabius did, shoving sea terrorist cells inside your bodies out of nowhere. Manners, huh? I was taken aback by the fact that Mayers was a bishop of the deep. It was also true that Mayers had never tried to bring us harm, unlike Fabius who attacked the sinners directly. While she did almost get us into big trouble with Irene while explaining things to us, it was also true that Mayers had been extremely helpful so far. It was her who led us to the lighthouse, and it was her who stayed in that crumbling lighthouse until the repairs